They told you faith was easy, that transformation was instant. A prayer, a song, a flash of emotion and light. But what if they were wrong? What if the fire doesn't come to comfort you, but to confront you? To burn away the lie you called your identity? You've been surviving behind smiles, performing peace while hiding a war, trying to fix the outside, while the real battle rages within. But here, we don't run from the darkness. We walk straight into it, eyes wide open, soul exposed, sword in hand. This is Embers of Awakening, where dark psychology meets holy fire, where radical self-awareness isn't a buzzword. It's survival, it's surrender, it's soul-deep war. If you're tired of pretending, if the masks are cracking, if the noise has numbed you long enough, then this fire was meant for you. Because real transformation doesn't come from comfort. It comes from ashes. And you're not being destroyed, you're being revealed. So rise, anchor your soul, awaken. You were born for this war within. And now, the fire begins.